how to delete a Shopify store. So if you want to delete your store on Shopify, let me show you how it is done. So the first thing is sign into your Shopify account, and you need to click on Settings at the bottom. Right here, once you get to your settings, select Plan. Under Plan, you're going to see something like Pause or Deactivate Store. As can see, I still have a new store, so I've not set it up. So for you, just click on Pause or Deactivate Store. Once you click on it, you're going to see, I need to take a break completely. Just click on the Activate Store in front of it. So for me, I just need to click on Continue. Since I'm still using a trial account after that, it's going to ask you to select the reason why you want to delete your store. Just pick any reason, and you can also click on Other Reason and enter your reason right here. So I'm just going to click on this after that. Click on Continue once you click on it. Click on Deactivate Store. And that is it. Very easy and straightforward. Note that the account info and data of your store will still be kept for 2 years, so you can still come back and reactivate it.